How to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're looking to transfer your Amazon gift card to your bank account, there is no direct method with which that you can do that. So there are some indirect ways that you can actually take your gift card and get it into your bank account. So the first way that you can redeem your gift card is by redeeming it directly on the Amazon redemption page, and then you can add this to your Amazon balance. Now, this cannot be practical for some people, and if you don't really use Amazon, it might be a waste for you. So there are two ways that you can get this into your bank account. Now, the first way that you can do this is by going on to third-party platforms where you can actually sell your gift card. Now, these platforms allow you to sell your gift card. However, keep in mind that you might not be getting the full value of your gift card. So if I have a $100 gift card and I'm selling it on a third-party platform for cash in my bank, then I might only be selling it for $90 or $85. So keep that in mind and make sure that you have a lot of knowledge about the platform that you're selling your gift card to before you dive in and sell your gift card. Now, the other alternate option that you have to get money in your bank is by purchasing a product off of Amazon. So you can purchase a product that is the equivalent value of your particular gift card, and then you can resell that product or choose to refund that product. So if I have a $62 gift card, I can purchase these shoes and then resell them or request for a refund, and I can send these shoes back and get a refund that would be sent to my account instead of my Amazon gift card. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.